world where clean and sustainable energy is more important than ever. We face challenges that hinder the full potential of solar power. Dust, rain, birds' droppings, and industrial pollution pose a significant threat to the efficiency and effectiveness of solar energy systems. As these environmental pollutants accumulate on solar panels, they create barriers that diminish their ability to harness the power of the sun. Introducing SolarTriz HydroCoat, our revolutionary breakthrough technology designed to revolutionize solar cover glass coatings. HydroCoat is a cutting-edge anti-reflective coating that outperforms any other technology currently available in the market. Its advanced properties significantly enhance module efficiency, allowing for greater light transmission and reducing the impact of contaminants. With HydroCoat, we have tackled 3 critical challenges faced by solar energy systems: maximizing light transmission, eliminating contaminants, and enhancing wear resistance. By minimizing reflections, increasing the amount of light reaching the solar cells, and providing exceptional durability, our coating enables modules to generate more electricity and withstand the rigors of various environments. Furthermore, HydroCoat's self-cleaning capabilities and anti-static effect ensure that the surface remains free from dirt, dust, and other impurities that could obstruct sunlight. This breakthrough technology reduces maintenance efforts and keeps solar panels operating at peak performance, even in challenging environments. Not only that, HydroCoat also provides exceptional wear resistance, ensuring durability and longevity even in harsh conditions. Its robust formulation protects solar panels against abrasions and other physical damage, maintaining optimal performance over time. By incorporating HydroCoat into your solar energy systems, you gain a competitive advantage in the pursuit of grid parity. Our advanced coating technology enables you to achieve higher module efficiencies, ensuring that your solar installations deliver optimal power output while reducing costs over the system's lifetime. At SolarTriz, we are committed to developing innovative solutions that drive the adoption of solar energy and advance sustainability goals. Join us in revolutionizing the solar industry with HydroCoat, the game-changing coating technology that boosts module efficiency, maximizes light transmission, and paves the way to a greener future. Contact us today to learn more about HydroCoat and how it can elevate the performance of your solar energy systems. Together, let's power a sustainable tomorrow.